Hey everyone, today I'm going to unbox the most talked about and highly hyped perfume all over the internet. I ordered it from Amazon and I was really curious to see that whether it would live up to the buzz. And it's definitely a perfume with a beautiful packaging that was giving off major Middle Eastern vibes. And by the time you must be knowing that I'm talking about none other than Lattafa Khamrah. Now, Lattafa Khamrah is an Eau de Parfum EDP with a beautiful packaging, as I said. And I'll be honest with that it didn't quite work for me because of its sweet, intense fragrance, but it might work for you. So, stay tuned for my honest review and all the details you need to know. Talking about the fragrance, it retails for around 2300 to 2500 INR depending on the price at Amazon, like on other websites as well, and which is pretty pocket friendly for the quality. And I'm going to break it down for you in detail, like the overview, notes, projection, longevity, sillage, everything. Okay, so Lattafa Khamrah is an oriental spicy fragrance that works both for men as well as women. The top notes are a blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and a touch of bergamot, creating a warm spiced opening with a hint of citrus freshness. And the heart of fragrance featured date, praline, and tuberose. And let me take a pause and tell you about the bottle. Pack just fell in love with the bottle, and the packaging was very luxurious, very stylish, and it was screaming royalty. Now coming back, the base notes are where it really gets interesting. Like it was full of vanilla, tonka bean, amber, and benzoin, and a touch of akigala wood or whatsoever it is. It was giving a deep resinous, finish to the fragrance. Now breaking down, if you spray Khamrah, the bergamot adds a fresh, zesty touch, but it's quickly actually enveloped by the warm spiciness of cinnamon and nutmeg. Now, as I said, it's a gourmand fragrance and very boozy. So the middle notes bring in a lovely sweetness, like a think of rich praline melting into fruity, syrupy dates, with some soft floral hints, of course, that come from tuberose. And then as it settles, the base becomes cozy, luxurious mix of sweet vanilla, smooth tonka bean, and rich woodiness from amberwood, etc. It's actually a indulgent fragrance, but the sweetness, like it was very overpowering and overwhelming for me. Talking about the projection and sillage, let me talk about this, that it is where it's like this fragrance is a powerhouse. It doesn't just stay close to the skin, it fills the room and makes a noticeable statement. Like if you love a scent that's bold and can be noticed from a distance, Lattafa Khamrah definitely delivers it in that department. Like as for sillage, it's leaves a strong aromatic trail. Like you'll be leaving a lasting impression wherever you go. It's not subtle at all, and which actually didn't work for me. Now talking about the longevity, it's impressive. Like you can go it like around like 8 to 10 hours when you wear it. Sticks with you the whole day with the sweet spicy notes gradually like settling into a warm comforting base, and fragrance won't fade too quickly. Like this one's definitely a solid option for you. Talking about the season, this fragrance is best suited for cooler weather like the winter time, and making it ideal for autumn and winter, like both. Like it's not a summer season perfume, not at all. If you can you confidently pull it off, then it's up to you, but it's not a summer perfume. Its warm and spicy profile may be overpowering in warmer climates, but it's not at all a summer perfume. Somebody sitting beside you might have a severe headache if you wear it in the summer season. Now, all over the internet, if the feedback which I receive, like user appropriate feedback, if I give that it's a sophisticated and inviting scent, and one reviewer noted that it's a bougie and sophisticated perfume, addictive for sure. Now I talking about the addiction, I didn't find addictive at all, and I regret buying it for sure, but I wanted to review it for the people who are just eyeing to buy it or wanting to get it. So be aware and be alert, and then you get it. and it's of course a luxurious and complex fragrance experiences, at an accessible price point. It's warm, spicy, and it's one amongst the best gourmand scents which people say, and it might be for others. And it was not for me, and I have not used it at all. Now I don't know how I'm going to finish it, but please subscribe to my channel for more of such honest reviews. Bye.